How to start investing in a cryptocurrency. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a beginner's guide to cryptocurrency, how you can start investing in crypto and become rich. So let's get started. First of all, you need to understand what is cryptocurrency and what is this hype about, why people say that, oh, okay, you should definitely invest in cryptocurrency and you will become rich. And on the other hand, some people say that cryptocurrency is very risky and you should not invest in it. Well, I will actually clear all of your doubts and I will show you how it actually works and how to get started if you are looking to invest in cryptocurrency. That being said, let's continue. First of all, when it comes to cryptocurrency, buying and selling cryptocurrency, trading in cryptocurrencies, staking in cryptocurrency, there are a lot of platforms out there that you can sign up for. So that is going to be your first step if you have understood cryptocurrency and you're actually ready to invest. So I have opened up a platform, KuCoin.com, which is one of the most easiest platform to use when it comes to buying and selling in crypto and crypto trading. There are a lot of platforms out there, Coinbase, Binance, and we have different protocols and different platforms that actually allow you to buy and sell crypto. I will be using KuCoin.com because the signing up process is really easy, and as a beginner you don't need to verify a lot of things in order to get started. You will click on sign up right here, enter your phone number or email address, click on sign up, and you will be able to get your own account on KuCoin. I will just log into my account that I already have. So after the initial sign up or sign into your account, this is where you can see this is my KuCoin. Now, when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, there are different ways to do so. First of all, we can actually do it trading. Then we have staking with crypto, and there are different coins available. Let's actually check out the marketplace. Let me show you the coins that we buy in crypto. What happens with crypto is that once you invest, for example, we can actually start investing from just like $20 if we want to, $100, and it's not like you have to invest thousands of dollars. You can get started by just investing $20. So let's say I want to invest and I will buy a portion of a coin, like maybe I will buy zero point 0.1 Bitcoin or like 1 Bitcoin for, if we talk about like $19,000. Someone has like, okay, so let me actually go ahead and break it down to you into very simple words. Let's say I have $1,500 and I want to invest in crypto. I have a coin which is Ethereum and I can buy one Ethereum for $1,300. So what I will do is I will open up my KuCoin, and all I need to do is I just need to invest in this coin that I have selected. Once I have selected this coin, I will buy one Ethereum. Then this one Ethereum might go up in future and become $17,000 and it is worth maybe $20,000, $14,000. So where I spent $13,000, and if it's increasing 2x, then I will be getting the 2x of my $13,000. Whatever you have invested, you have invested 100. If the coin is, increased to 2x, you will make $200. If it increases to 10x, your 100 will become 1,000. But it depends on the coin. That is why we always say that cryptocurrency is very risky, because what if the coin does not go 2x and instead it is decreasing? Then of course the money you have put in, it will decrease. So that is why it is like investing in stocks and other things. Very simple, but yet it also has a lot of complications into it, and it can be complicated when it comes to risking, and it involves a high degree of risk. That actually reminds me that this video is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not suggesting you to invest in any of the particular coin. I'm not suggesting you to make any decision based on this video. You should go ahead and actually learn what is cryptocurrency and how to invest, and then you can get started. I am actually helping you with the different platforms. That's what we do. I'm actually helping you to figure out what are the different platforms you can go for, and if you're choosing your platform, how to use it. So let's continue. On KuCoin, I have selected this coin, which is Ethereum, which is $1,300,000 at the time of making this video. This is the graph right here, and this is the percentage, which is -0 right now. And let's say I want to buy this one. So I can buy one for 13,000, or I can invest in it for the amount that I want to go for. And of course, when it will 2x, it will 3x, I will be making money. In order to buy crypto, we have three options available on KuCoin. We have Fast Trade, P2P, and third party. So I'm going to click on Fast Trade, and we can buy crypto with our Visa card, MasterCard, or a fiat balance as well. So if you want to buy crypto, then you can just click on the buy option here, enter the amount. We can select the currency. I'm going to select USD. In USD, I am looking to invest 1,000. And then we have to select what we want to buy. So I want to buy, let's say, Bitcoin. So for 1,000, I will be able to buy 0.05 Bitcoin. If it increases to 2x, my 1,000 will become 2,000. My 1,000 will become $10,000. That's how it works. But if it decreases, then of course it has a huge risk. Or you can buy any other currency you want to go for the coin. How to choose the right coin that you should buy? Make sure to check the market and compare it to other coins, and it kind of like depends that what coin you think is going to be increasing. Any coin, and the best time to invest in a coin is that when it is pretty low. For example, Bitcoin went way too low in the recent month. It went to $13,000, right? And a lot of people invested in Bitcoin at that time because we were able to buy one Bitcoin for $13,000, and now it is worth 19. So if I want to even sell my Bitcoin, I can sell it for 19,000, and it actually increases a lot. Even right now the market is pretty low, and it is just 19, when Bitcoin has the potential to go to $26,000, $25,000. So it will increase. So even right now, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can buy it for $19,000, and later it will become $25,000. So that's how we make a lot of money with a cryptocurrency. And we have Ethereum right here. Ethereum was also 1900. It went to 1700. Now it is just 1300. So the best time to buy a cryptocurrency or to invest in a cryptocurrency is when we do it when the market is pretty low. So keep that in mind. And whenever the coin is pretty low, you can invest in it. Again, it involves a risk if it will go more lower than this or not. But to be honest, 13,000 for Bitcoin was way too low. It was the lowest of all time. And the people who invested at that, it could not go lower than that. And then the people who invested in at that time, they were very happy. So yeah, you have to just keep in mind to keep track of the marketplace, and that's it. You will be able to invest. Now, there are a lot of other factors, but I do not want to complicate things for you, and I just wanted to help you guys to just learn how to invest in cryptocurrency as a complete beginner, and I hope that I was a big help. You can get started with KuCoin.com, Binance.com, Coinbase.com, and any other platform of your choice. There are already videos on this channel about a lot of crypto platform, and you will be able to get their beginners tutorials, so you can go ahead and check them out as well. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.